Papayas are bright orange tropical fruits with black gelatinous seeds inside, and they are packed with incredible health benefits. Here are 13 incredible health benefits of papayas. 1. They strengthen immunity. A strong immune system relies on a steady supply of vitamin C, and papayas offer 233% of the daily required amount per cup. This helps to prevent colds, flu and multiple diseases, as well as making you feel fit and strong. 2. They improve your metabolic health. A sluggish metabolism can lead to multiple health problems, and relies on essential B vitamins, fiber and magnesium to operate properly. Papayas are an excellent source of these, helping to boost metabolism and better convert food into energy. 3. They clear your skin. Papayas are full of powerful antioxidants and tons of vitamins A and C, which helps to clear up problem skin. It also boosts collagen, which improves the elasticity and youthful appearance of skin, wiping wrinkles and signs of stress away. 4. Excellent for eye health. Your eyes need plenty of support to prevent cataracts, night blindness and macular degeneration, and papayas are one of their greatest allies. They offer vitamin A and powerful antioxidants which keep the retina and deep tissues functioning normally for longer. 5. They help to lower cholesterol. The excellent dose of soluble and insoluble fiber that papayas provide has proven to reduce cholesterol levels, bringing LDL bad and HDL good cholesterol levels back into a healthy balance. 6. They reduce blood pressure. Papayas are full of magnesium and potassium, which together work to relax arteries, increase blood circulation, prevent life-threatening blood clotting and eliminate waste. This helps to keep blood pressure in a healthy range, and to reduce the symptoms of hypertension. 7. They help to balance blood sugar. Papayas are sweet and delicious, but they are a medium GI, glycemic index, food choice. The high fiber combined with the medium dose of fruit sugar helps to keep blood sugar balanced, preventing the spikes and dips that can exhaust your insulin response and lead to diabetes. 8. They help you to lose fat. Weight loss and fat loss are two very different things, and fat loss is the most important. By eating more papayas, you offer your body a delicious, fat-free treat that helps to reduce your fat intake, stimulating the release of excess stored fat for a better, leaner physique. 9. They improve digestion. For thousands of years papayas have been used to cure multiple stomach ailments, because their high dose of fiber combined with powerful antioxidants, vitamins and minerals helps to soothe a toxic, acidic system back to health. Fiber helps to eliminate excess waste, keep you regular and improve nutrient absorption, and papayas offers 15% of the daily requirement per cup. 10. They reduce the symptoms of PMS. Premenstrual syndrome can be incredibly painful and frustrating, and papayas help to reduce the symptoms associated with it. They contain a substance known as papain, which has proven to regulate blood flow and prevent cramping during menstruation. 11. They are a natural anti-inflammatory. Vitamin C, choline, papain and beta-carotene have been proven to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Papayas contain all four of these powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, which relieves swelling, discomfort and prevents the multiple ailments and diseases associated with chronic inflammation. 12. They are super hydrating. 80% of papayas are made of water, which is why they are such a soft, delicious and juicy fruit. They help to keep you hydrated, which is important to keep every system in your body working properly, as well as giving you a healthy glow of pure vitality. 13. They are an alkalizing food. Studies have proven that highly alkalizing foods help to keep your body free from infections and diseases, as well as boosting your energy levels. Papayas are easily digestible and highly alkalizing treats for your body. For the latest health videos, please subscribe to this channel.